Hello everyone, how are you all? This is Preeti Garg and I welcome you all to my YouTube channel where we study all about mathematics, and mathematics is just a fun. It is just the game of numbers, isn't it? Okay, and I hope all are good. Also, all must be fine, safe, sound. Okay, so today we are back here. We start with our normal routine of the classes. We have left with chapter number 3rd for class 10th NCERT, and today we are going to start with same for class 10 from NCERT, pair of linear equations in two variables. First of all, before discussing or before starting with the chapter, let me tell you what does this chapter means. Now we have pair of linear equations. What is the meaning of word pair? Pair means two. Yeah, right? This we all know that what is the meaning of word pair? Two. Then we have linear equation. First of all, there are two words. One is linear, another is equation. What is the meaning of word equation? Whenever we have anything of this type, we call it, and when it is equal to 0, we call it equation. Then there is linear. What is the meaning of this word linear? दो हमने सब कुछ कर चुके हैं हम पहले, हमें पता है कि linear equations क्या होती हैं. But just a quick review. Linear means whenever a variable is having degree 1, then we call it linear equation. Then it is in two variables, means there should be a linear equation, but in this equation there is just one variable. We need linear equation where there are two variables. Say for example, if I write like this, then this becomes linear because the exponent or the power or the degree of the equation is 1 for each, and there are two different variables, right? So this becomes linear equation in two variables. And here we have pair of linear equations. That means we should have two equations together. Say for example, if I write like this, one more equation here, then these two equations together forms the meaning of the chapter, pair of linear equations in two variables. I hope it is understood. I hope it is understood what is the meaning of word pair of linear equations in two variables. Okay, now next, after this explanation of pair of linear equations in two variables, next we have, suppose we are given two lines. Suppose we are having two lines. Now, whenever we are having two lines, there can be many possibilities. See for example, if I am having these two lines. These two lines can be this way, means these are parallel. These can be this way, that means one line is this, one line is this, that means they can intersect at a point, or these two lines can overlap each other. They can be one over the other. मतलब एक लाइन हमारे पास पहले है, हमने उसके ऊपर ही दूसरी लाइन बना दी. Yes? Can there be any other possibility? आप कहेंगे कि ऐसे हो सकती है, एक लाइन ऐसे बना दे और एक लाइन ऐसे बना दे, but still at a point they will meet somewhere. That means when we are having any two lines, then there are only just three possibilities. What are those possibilities? That either the lines are parallel, or they will intersect, or they coincide with each other. ठीक है? Now based on this, we have our exercise 3.1, where you are given some of the algebraic equations or the statements, and we have to change them into geometrical figures and algebraical equations, right? So let us start. Let us have, suppose we are having exercise 3.1. Now what does first question says? Aftab tells his daughter 7 years ago, means to say there are two unknown terms now. Aftab tells his daughter. That means two unknown features we are having. One is Aftab, one is daughter. देखो इजी तरीका क्या होता है लिखने का, पहले दफा आप लिखते जाइए. What you are having? Aftab. और कौन है? Daughter. ठीक है? ये हम बहुत पहले कर चुके, 7 से करते आ रहे हैं algebraic expressions. ठीक है? But still I am just telling you. 7 years ago. So first let us consider, let Aftab's age is X, let his daughter's age is Y. Now 7 years ago. अब say for example, आज मेरी एज 16 years है, तो 6 साल पहले कितनी थी? 16 minus 6, that means 10. Similarly, if Aftab's present age is X, so what was his age 7 years back? 7 years back it was X minus 7, and same way daughter's age 7 years back was Y minus 7. Then what does the question says? 7 years ago, I was 7 times as old as you were there. See, this is Aftab's age, this is daughter's age. आफ्ताब की एज है, डॉटर की एज है, कौन सी एज बड़ी होगी इसमें? आफ्ताब की नेचुरली. टू इक्वेट दीज टू इक्वेशंस, टू इक्वेट मतलब इनको इक्वल करने के लिए हमें क्या करना होगा? आफ्ताब सेज दैट आई वाज हाउ मेनी टाइम्स? 7 टाइम्स. दिस इज 7 टाइम्स मोर देन दिस एज. दैट मीन्स टू मेक इट इक्वल वी मल्टीप्लाई 7 बाय डॉटर्स एज. ठीक है, इसमें थोड़ा सा कंफ्यूजन होता है समटाइम्स कि पापा, दिस इज Aftab is father, so father's age was 7 times as his daughter's age. So to equate the equations, उन दोनों को इक्वल करने के लिए हमें 7 मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा डॉटर्स एज के साथ. So what equation does we get now? X minus 7 is equals to 7y minus 49. That means X minus 7y is equals to minus 49 plus 7. That means X minus 7y is equals to how much will it be? Minus 42. This is your equation number 1. Then also 3 years from now, अब से 3 साल के बाद. अब 3 साल के बाद क्या होगा? अगर इसकी एज x थी तो 3 साल के बाद his age will be x plus 3. If daughter's age was y, so after 3 years it will be y plus 3. Now this is father's age, this is daughter's age. Now what is the condition? I shall be 3 times as old as you will be. Now father is saying that I will be 3 times. Same way, to make them equal, we have to multiply 3 by daughter's age. What we get now? X minus 3y is equals to 9 minus 3. That means X minus 3y is equals to 6. This is your equation number 2. Now what the question says? Represent this situation algebraically. We have expressed the same equation algebraically. Then and graphically. Now, how do we have to represent this situation graphically? Though we have done the same thing in class 9, but again for this question once I'll explain you how to draw the graph for these two equations. Then for rest of the questions you can carry on with yourself. Fine? Okay, so these are the two equations that we have. Okay, now from these two equations, suppose we have taken first equation and we have solved this. Suppose we are having x minus 7y is equals to minus 42. Solve करना, I hope everybody knows. Now you are in class 10, 8 में 9 में हम कर चुके हैं. कैसे करना है? x या y में से किसी एक नंबर, किसी एक वेरिएबल को सेपरेट कीजिए. I have separated this x over here. That means this 7y will come this side with plus sign. Now we have got this एक्सप्रेशन. अब इसमें आपको क्या करना है? गिव द वैल्यूज ऑफ x एंड यू विल गेट द वैल्यूज ऑफ y. कुछ भी वैल्यूज x को देंगे और कुछ भी वैल्यूज y की हमें मिल जाएंगी. सपोज आई हैव गिवन x एज 0. इफ आई पुट x एज 0, तो यहाँ 0 अगर इफ आई पुट, आई गेट minus 42 plus 7y. And on solving this, we get y is equals to 6. That means when x is 0, y is 6. Similarly, if I give this value x as 7, then after solving it, I'll get y also as 7. Now ये आपको अपने आप से थोड़ा सा देखना होगा. Why I have given this value of x as 7? To make it little simpler, to make it little easy. ठीक है, अगर आप 1 या 2 कोई वैल्यू देंगे तो वो पॉइंट्स में आपके पास आएगी y की वैल्यू. और अगर आप x की वैल्यू 7 दे रहे हैं, then you will get value of y also in the multiples of 7. So to just make our graph little easy, we have done this way. अब ऐसे ही हमारे पास सेकेंड इक्वेशन है x minus 3y is equals to 6. x minus 3y is equals to 6. अब इसमें क्या करना है? x को सेपरेट कीजिए. x is equals to 6 plus 3y. Suppose I am giving x as 0. x को 0 पुट किया मैंने, तो what will I get? Minus 6 is equals to 3y or y is equals to minus 2. Same way I'll make box for this also. And at least 3 values you have to take. I have taken 2 values, but you just take 3 values If I have taken x as 0, y I have got as minus 2. Similarly, if I take x as, just take any multiple of x as 3 only, so that you get a proper value. So if I take x as 3 only, that means 3 is equals to 6 plus 3y, 3 minus 6 is equals to 3y, minus 3 is equals to 3y, or y is equals to minus 1. If I have taken x as 3, y I have got as minus 1. ठीक है? अब how to draw the graph for this? Graph पहले एक का बनाएंगे, फिर दूसरे का बनाएंगे on the same graph, like this. Let it is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3, 2, 1. And similarly here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You will be making it on a graph paper. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. यहाँ पर x की पॉजिटिव और यहाँ पर x की नेगेटिव. ठीक है? अब let us take the first table. When x was 0, y is 6. When x was 0, y is 6. That means this is the point that you will get for first equation. Then similarly, when x is 7, y also is 7. Somewhere here the point is. That means with the help of a scale we can join a line. We can join a line by taking these 2 points together. And you have to take at least 3 points. Okay? So this is the line for first equation. Second, if we see, if x is 0, y is minus 2. If x is 3, y is minus. If x is 3, y is minus 1. That means this is the point, this is the point. Same way, with the help of a scale, you can make a line like this. So this is the line for equation number 2. Okay? That means this question we have expressed algebraically in this form and geometrically in this form. That means we draw the graph. I hope this question is fine to you. Then same you can do question number 2 and 3 from here. Then next topic that we have is graphical method of solution of pair of linear equations. This we will be starting. Okay. Next we will be starting with this only. Graphical method means graphical method. अभी तो हमने ऐसे find करा. Graphical method से find करना solution of these 2 equations. Means graph बनाएंगे. उसके बाद हमें equations का solution पता चल जाएगा. Okay. So that I'll tell you in the next video. So by now just complete your exercise 3.1. Okay. Complete it in a fair notebook. Be safe. Be cool. Be good. Be happy. Thank you. Bye-bye.